Good afternoon, everyone. Before we start, let me ask you a question. Have you ever imagined learning math in English and science in your native language at the same time? Sounds challenging, right? But that's exactly what bilingual education is all about. Learning through two languages to open wider doors to knowledge and global opportunities. Before we begin our presentation, let me introduce our group members. We have prepared this presentation together and we hope you enjoy and learn something new from our topic today. Let's go to the topic.
Okay, the next I will explain about the definition of bilingual education. From McCarthy and Fizimo Stulen 2014 define bilingual education as an approach in which two languages are used as teaching media in the classroom for the same group of students, so that students receive part of their learning in one language and part in another, with the proportion of each language varying according to the type of program, teaching objectives, and various contextual influence.
Okay, so when we talk about the main goals of bilingual education, it's actually much more than just learning two languages. The real goals is to help students use both languages confidently in real life. For example, they can discuss lesson in English but still understand it deeply in their first language. It also helps students open their minds. When you learn through two languages, you are also learning two different ways of thinking and seeing the world. And that builds cultural awareness. Plus, being bilingual gives you more chances in the future, whether for studying abroad or working in the international fields.
Bilingual education is an educational approach that uses two languages to support both language and content learning, including several types such as transitional or early exit, which help students move quickly from their first language to English. Maintenance or developmental, which aims to maintain and develop proficiency in both language. Content-based instruction or CBI, which teach academic subjects like science or history using English to build language skills naturally, and ESP or English for specific purpose, which focus on learning English tailored for specific academic or professional fields such as business, medicine, or tourism.
Okay, the next I will explain about effectiveness. Effectiveness of bilingual education. A. Improving cognitive abilities. Bilingual students demonstrate higher critical thinking skills and cognitive flexibility. B. Supporting academic achievement. Bilingual programs help students understand subject matter better because concepts are explained in a language they understand. L1. While continuing to strengthen L2. C. Improving second language proficiency with a structured approach such as transitional bilingual or dual language immersion. Students can achieve L2 proficiency more quickly and naturally. D. Fostering positive identity and attitudes. Bilingual education values students' language and cultures, thereby increasing their self-confidence, cultural identity, and motivation to learn. E. Improving social and global skills. Students who learn in two languages tend to be more open to culture difference and have better cross-cultural communication.
Okay, and then even though bilingual education sounds perfect, of course it has some challenges. One of the biggest problem is misunderstanding. Some people still believe that learning two languages at once can confuse students or make them slower at learning English. But actually, research proves the opposite. Another challenge is the lack of teachers who are really good at both languages. Not every teacher can switch smoothly between two languages while teaching. And sometimes one languages become more dominant than the other, so teachers have to keep a good balance. So yeah, the idea is great, but the implementation still needs strong support from school, teacher, and even parent.
Bilingual education provides numerous advantages for learners as it allows them to develop strong communication skills in two languages, enabling effective interaction in both local and global contexts. It also enhances memory, creativity, and critical thinking since students constantly switch between language and learn to view concepts from different perspectives. Furthermore, bilingual education builds cultural awareness, helping students appreciate and respect diverse traditions and viewpoints. In conclusion, it opens wider career opportunities in international and professional fields where the ability to use more than one language is highly valued and often leads to better academic and professional success.
Okay, the next is I will explain about challenges of bilingual education. Number 1, lack of qualified teachers. Many schools lack teachers who are proficient in two languages and trained in bilingual teaching methods. Number 2, limited learning resources. Bilingual learning materials such as textbooks, audiovisual media, and teaching materials are often not available in both languages. Number 3, imbalance between two languages. Sometimes one language is more dominant, usually the national language or a foreign language such as English, while the local language is used less. Number 4, negative attitudes or misunderstanding. Some parents, teachers, or communities still believe that bilingual education can confuse children to or hinder mastery of the primary language. The last is assessment difficulties. Assessing students' abilities in two languages is complicated.
Traditional education focuses on using only one language, emphasizing grammar and translation activities, with learning that is mostly teacher-centered and provides limited cultural context. In contrast, bilingual education uses two languages as the medium of instruction, emphasizing communication and comprehension, promoting intercultural awareness, and creating a more student-centered and interactive learning environment that encourage active participation and real-life language use.
Okay, and then in conclusion, bilingual education is not just about speaking two languages, it's about connecting people and cultures. Students who learn this way don't just become good at language, but they also learn to think critically, respect diversity, and communicate confidently with anyone. So we can say bilingual education help build not only smart students but also global citizens who are ready for the real world. Alright, that's the end of our presentation today. Thank you very much for your attention. I really appreciate it. Now I would be happy to hear your thoughts of question. So, does anyone want to ask or share something?